Hey guys, in this video we are making a dowel electric. So at first we need some piece of 1 by 3 about 4 inch long and a piece of 1 by half about 4 inch long and a piece of 1 by 1.5. The idea is we can drill 3 holes there about 1 inch from center. We join these pieces like this. Now we drill holes for screws. Then I make holes bigger for the head side of screw. Then glue and screw them. Now we need to drill 3 holes with 7/16 bit. Drilling holes can be difficult in rosewood, so make sure you sharpen your drill bit. Then tape all 3 holes with half-inch tape. We had tapped the holes. Next we need to drill 2 holes in line with these parts. I am drilling these 2 side parts with 3/8 inch bit. And I drill the middle part with 5/16 bit. Now we tape this 5/16 hole with 3/8 tape. Next, for drilling through holes in bolt, I am drilling a 1/4 inch hole in a scrap wood. Then I insert the drill bit in flipped direction to get cutting edge on top. Then I chucked a 1 inch long half-inch bolt and drilled them accordingly. Now we make spacers to align hole in our workpiece to be center. Remove sides of the spacers to access them easily. Center. Now we mark center in our workpiece. Line that mark with jig center. Insert spacer between gap and tight the bolts with wrench. Mark what face you want to make flush in both piece. Now we put first piece and tight the piece using the built-in clamp. Now take this, put it to tighten this up. And check flush from all sides and then tight it. Flush like this. Then drill holes with 1/4 inch bit. Repeat all steps for the second piece. Insert dowels and check the fit. Sits flush everywhere. Perfect flush. It's not going to be anywhere. This jig is inspired by Dowel next jig, and yeah, that's good. That's all for today. See you next time.